A major controversy has cast a shadow over the Miss World 2025 pageant currently being held in Hyderabad. Mila McGee, the reigning Miss England, has abruptly withdrawn from the competition, citing moral concerns and a feeling of exploitation during her time at the event. McGee, in an interview to a UK media house, alleged that she was made to feel like a prostitute while being forced into uncomfortable social settings. According to her, contestants were expected to engage in forced small talk and spend evenings entertaining male guests. In her words, the women were treated like performing monkeys, expected to please rather than lead. In what appears to be a bid at damage control, the Miss World organization offered a conflicting account. They claimed Mila McGee withdrew due to a family emergency, citing a health crisis involving her mother. Julia Morley, CEO of the Miss World organization, too jumped in, firmly refuting McGee's allegations, stating that her claims were inconsistent with the actual events, adding that Miss World remains committed to the truth. And my colleague Sana is now joining us with more details on this. Sana, some serious allegations being leveled by Miss England regarding how she was being treated at the Miss World pageant that is currently being held in Hyderabad. Could you give us more details and on what exactly happened and what is the statement that is coming to the fore from Miss World organization?
Absolutely. This is the first time in 74 years that Miss England has withdrawn from a competition like Miss World. Definitely on May 7th, she came to India. She participated in the introduction round and she was there during the event. We did see a bit of it through social media about her presence in the competition, in the Miss World competition that was happening in Hyderabad. But on May 16th, she decided to withdraw from the competition. Of course, the Miss World organization have given a statement calling her claims untrue, but she gave interview to the Sun stating how she felt exploited in this competition when she was here in India. She felt that the girls were treated very unfairly and they were exploited. They were made to sit in front of male guests and male guests who were the sponsors as a thank you note. And she said that six girls were put up on each table to make small talks with them, and thus she felt really exploited. And she felt that Miss World is a competition where beauty with brains, beauty with a cause, and it's not just about having a beautiful personality but also supporting cause. As we all know, Mila was supporting the CPR issue, that she wants the world, everyone to learn CPR and help patients in distress. But right now in the competition, during her time in India, she felt distraughted. She felt like performing monkeys. Her claims definitely are a shocker because such claims just puts a prestigious Miss World competition in question. We are questioning it right now. And in the interview, she also mentioned that in her time in India, she saw class system for the first time. She saw poverty for the first time. If we all know that recently, a few weeks when the Miss World competition started, when they were entering a temple in Hyderabad, female women volunteers were asked to wash the feet of these Miss World contestants, and that also created quite a controversy. And hence, the claims that Mila right now puts up actually makes us question what exactly is happening, why an evolving society is still celebrating these things. And Mila also questioned about how they were made to wear ball gowns throughout their time in the competition. Even during breakfast, she said that they were just put up like a showpiece. They were exploited. And she said that other women also felt the same, but they were, of course, scared to not talk about it. And if the women were not coming out and doing what they were told, they were termed as
All
boring.
right.